Oh! Hello, Dallas. I heard that it was your birthday. I suppose I should wish you a happy birthday, shouldn't I? I really should. So, Dallas, I just wanted to say... Hang on a second. Oi! So, as I was saying, I hope you have a fantastic birthday, Dallas. And I hope you get all the chocolates and tea and books that you could ever want. So Dallas, happy birthday. Hope it's a good one.
Oh! Hello there! Sorry, I was just reading Hogwarts: A History. Quite a lovely book, really. Anyway, I've been told it's your birthday. How wonderful! I'm really glad we remembered it. Harry and Ron are so terrible at remembering birthdays, but I'm glad we remembered yours, Dallas. Anyway, here's my advice for you. Always read, study hard, and remember, it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Have a wonderful day and don't party too much. You still have lots of studying to do.
This is Harry Potter. This is not Kylie from Five Awesome Marauders. This is Harry Potter wishing you, Dallas, a very, very happy birthday. You're turning 19, I believe, and you're going to have a fantastic birthday from me, Harry Potter, to you, Dallas.
You, my young lady, are one lucky witch. Witches are queuing up just to see me, Gilderoy Lockhart, internationally famous and very handsome wizard, and winner of Witch Weekly's Most Charming Smile Award 5 times in a row. But you, my young Dallas, get to have my undivided attention in honor of this special day. Your birthday. Now, your friends, they might get jealous that you are having the attention of such a famous wizard as me. But fear not. Their jealousy will turn to envy in time that you are on speaking terms with such a famous and incredibly handsome wizard as I. Now, your friend Brittany informs me that you are turning 19 today. When I heard this, I insisted that I personally wish you a happy birthday. Now that Brittany, she tried to talk me out of it, said she didn't want to impose on such a famous wizard as me. After all, my time is worth much more than the average everyday witch and wizard. But I insisted. Brittany, I said, young Dallas, she will be thrilled to have a happy birthday wish from such an amazing wizard as me. Since it's your birthday, I thought that a gift would be in order. Normally, I would send you a copy of my autobiography, Magical Me. But my publisher has informed me that my generosity exceeds our profits, and I have been asked not to give it out to young witches and wizards anymore. So instead, I have this flyer for my new best-selling book, Wolfstar. It's about the tragic love story between a werewolf and the prisoner of Azkaban. You might know him as Sirius Black. Such a sad and tragic tale. I'm going to autograph this flyer for you. Just give me a moment. There we go. That is freshly autographed just for you, my young Dallas. Now, Brittany informs me that she will be sending this flyer to you in the Muggle Post as soon as she has enough postage. I'm not sure what that is. I would send it via my Al, but it is so busy answering all of my millions of fan letters that it just can't be bothered to send an extra flyer out. The poor thing, he's just totally tired. Brittany wanted me to mention that you have been just a fabulous person for her to get to know. She has truly enjoyed your sparkling and entertaining personality. I hope that someday you can be as entertaining as me and as famous as me. But apparently Brittany thinks that you are already entertaining enough. Don't let that compliment go to your head, young lady. After all, you aren't an internationally famous wizard like me. Obviously, you have some work to do. Brittany also wanted me to mention that she is very excited that she has gotten a chance to get to know you through this YouTube channel. I'm not sure what that is, but apparently she's very excited about it. Yes. Oh dear me, look at the time. I am late for an autograph signing at Flourish and Blotts. I can't believe I forgot about that. Well, I will let you go, and I hope I remembered everything, but if not, at least you got to look at my beautiful face. Alright, that's me, Gilderoy Lockhart. Happy birthday, Dallas. Bye!